Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you for installing Windows to your PC, how you will make your USB bootable with Rufus boot tool. I have Windows 7 ISO file. Insert the USB where you want to boot the Windows setup. I already have Rufus installed, and you can install it from internet. Open Rufus. This dialog box will be shown on your screen. Connect your USB and device option and disk or ISO image in boot selection option. Link the Windows ISO file with this select button. Change scheme according to your hardware storage. Select MBR for hard disk and GPT for SSD storage. Everything is ready. Now start the process. This whole process will take 5 to 8 minutes. So, I have skipped the video till process completion. Bootable USB is ready. To start Windows installation through this USB, restart your PC and enter boot menu. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.